Hello everyone, Sarah Potrzebowski here. I'm doing a tutorial walkthrough of how to enroll with the Scrip program. So if you would, first and foremost, highlight and right-click copy the enrollment code that's posted at the top of this post that this video is in. I linked it up at the top for easy access. Highlight it with your mouse, right-click copy. You'll need that later in this process, and it's easier just to grab it now. And once you've grabbed that, you will type in shop.shopwithscrip.com, which is also linked in the original top of this post. You can just click on it to open a new tab. Once you've done all that, we're going to go over here to register. It takes a second to load. And while we're waiting, this is just the first in a series of videos I plan to do explaining the Scrip program and how it can be used to help budget for your family, how to help fundraise for the school, which directly benefits our kids. It's just a great program that I really, really strongly believe in. Okay, so we've clicked on that. It brings us to the screen. And then if we scroll down, we want to join a Scrip program. I'm going to click there. On the next page that comes up, they will ask for our enrollment code. That's that code I asked you to copy at the very beginning. Okay, now we're here, enrollment code. I'm going to click in the box, and then I'm going to right-click, paste. Now that that's in, I'm going to hit register. Blue button right here. Okay, now we're going to have to select a username, which can be anything you'd like. It will let you know if it's already been taken, so I would try to choose something a little more original than maybe just your first and last name. For anonymous purposes, I'm going to use an alias. Susie's Scrip Buyer 123, which I've never tried this one before, so I'm assuming it is original. We're going to try a password. The passwords can be complicated. Must be 8 characters long, must contain 1 uppercase letter, 1 lowercase letter, 1 number, and 1 special character, and it cannot be your username. Got all that. I really just made up a password, so let's see if that even takes. Looks like it matches. Okay. Susie Scrip Buyer, first and last name, gender, year of birth. Put the address. I'm just going to use the school's address. We're not really creating an actual profile today for demonstration purposes, though I want to fill in all the fields. And then the rest of this is just account information, your address, your phone number, zip code, all this fun stuff that's required on pretty much every website anymore. Okay. Student name. Do student name Sally Scrip Buyer. Classroom. I would put your child's teacher's name in that space. I'm going to use Mr. Zech's name since I don't really have a Sally Scrip Buyer student. Email address. We're going to do Susie Scrip Buyer 123@gmail.com. Scrip Buyer 123@gmail.com. And yes, I would love to receive emails. Create your security questions. These are important because of the security associated with the Scrip program, which makes us all feel a little more comfortable putting in bank account information, which we will get to that later. If you choose to enroll in Presto Pay or the MyScrip wallet, they have a lot of security in place. They have the same security level as, say, PayPal or Google Pay or Apple Pay, some of the more popular online payment systems. So all of these security questions, all of this security they're doing is very, very important that you follow it and enter in as much information as you can. It is really there just to protect you, which is always the best. So security question. Security question 2. I'm again just making up numbers and answers. Okay, so here are your GLSC, Great Lakes Scrip Company terms of use and supporter terms of use. I highly encourage you to look at those just to verify. It's pretty standard stuff, but for the sake of time, I'm not going to click on it today. But if you are doing this process yourself and have ample time while you're doing it, please do click on it and look it through so you know what you're agreeing to. That's always a smart method to do it. And then validation, I'm not a robot. Apparently I am not good because now it's asking me to select all the images with a storefront. Good, verify. Now we're going to click register. Okay, so register your phone. Again, another security level. They want it to be secure, so you can choose a text message or a phone call. You type in your phone number here, which we should have already supplied that. I'm just going to type in the same number that I typed in the beginning, even though I know it's not accurate. And then the phone name. I'm going to type Susie Cell. This is so if you were asked to verify your account at a later time if you log in on a different computer or on your cell phone, you'll know which phone it's going to send stuff to. Send code. Okay, so I'm at this point now, which I'll have to stop because it sent a text message to the number that I supplied with the verification code, and then I would have to type it in right here, this verification code area, and then I would hit submit. And that will bring you to your dashboard to start doing stuff, which I will have another video shortly on what the next steps are after this. But I wanted to give new parents or people who are possibly friends, family of students, a way to walk through this enrollment process because it can be quite intimidating at times. But as always, please do feel free to reach out via the BaillyElementaryPTO@gmail.com email address. My phone number is on all the order forms, and there should be some more order forms going home this week in the Thursday folders, so keep an eye out for that. And any questions or concerns can be directed also through our Facebook page. So please don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to help, as are the rest of the board, and we look forward to hearing from you.